Think you missed me the past couple days, guys? Yeah? Did you miss Mommy while she was working? Good? Boy, I know. I know. What are you doing? What are you doing? You say good morning? Say good morning? Good morning? Hello. Hello. Anytime I try to film Wyatt, he just wants to get the camera. Yes, he did. Oh. Who's that? Who's that watching? Say hi. Say hi. Don't mind my hot mess express. I'm sick and I just worked the past 2 days. I recently returned back to work from maternity leave. Oh no. So I just worked the past 2 nights and I'm exhausted. And this guy's extra busy today. So that should be fun. Yeah. Yeah. Happy book. This guy's crazy. He's been up since 6. It's about 9 o'clock now. I've just been too tired to get the camera. Where you going, busy boy? We're off to now. Oh, it's gone. Bye, ball. He's just in the best mood this morning, and it really is great because, like, I'm just so tired. I didn't think going back to work was going to be as, like, hard as it was. And really, like, the working part's great. Like, I love being back. I love seeing my coworkers. Like, the new residents we have are great. But the physical part of it, I'm exhausted. So I'm glad he's super chill today. I guess it's gonna be a cute vlog too. Be a good boy for Mama today? Yeah. She's so sweet. You gonna go for a walk? There he goes! Woohoo! Yeah, buddy! Yay, Wyatt! Yay, Wyatt! Good job. Yeah, good job, bud. Who's that in the tent? Who's in the tent? Are you in the tent? Are you in the tent? So cute. Hey. Who's that? Oh. Who's that? I might have to turn this vlog around because so far it's just like totally just cute footage of Wyatt, which isn't horrible. It's pretty darn cute, but what are you doing now? Are you eating your tunnel? You eating your tunnel?
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Basically, this is my to-do list today. We ran out of water yesterday, so we've got all these dishes to do. These water bottles to fill up. It's definitely never a dull moment around here anymore, guys. And I really hope that I feel better by Monday. I have to go back to work. That is a few days away, so feeling sick is the worst. Feeling sick while having to take care of a baby, it's also the worst. But he's actually being such a gem today, so yes, it's so great. I think Wyatt was teething there for a long time, and he finally cut a tooth, and now I think he's like over it for now, because babies just keep teething, so it's just gonna happen again. But yeah, I'm just gonna take care of these dishes and finish the water situation.
And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling.
And groove with Elmo?
Push the button, baby.
Let's have a dance party!
Push the button,
The
baby.
music section and Elmo's section.
Well, Mama thought she
Ready for
already did.
Elmo's favorite song? Let's do it! La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's world. La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's world. La la la, la 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 la. La la la, la 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 la. He loves it.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance,
Yep. Wyatt's watching Word Party because I'm sick, guys. Don't judge me. I'm just like tired today. If it makes anybody out there though feel better, he only usually watches it when they're singing and then he goes back to playing. Like, he won't actually follow along to a storyline. Just so you know. Hey, bud. Daddy's home in an hour. Justin's off. Justin's off early on Fridays, so that's kind of nice. I basically just want him to come home so I can shower.
I already kind of
Have a bite.
And then, you know,
Have a
you
bite.
can't hear me talk, but can you hear other people talk?
Yeah.
She said it was the same thing. She's like, why are you
Wyatt.
so loud? We couldn't even hear what you said.
Dude's trying to steal my whole cookie.
Are you eating the whole cookie? That's mommy's cookie.
'cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, ooh, I conscience. I swear I'll try my best to always